I want to share something deeply personal with you today. Something that changed my life when I thought everything was falling apart. You see, 2024, like I told in the other videos before, was one of the hardest years for me. Chronic arthritis, burnout, and a feeling of complete emptiness had taken over my life, and I had my heart poured into over 400 ukulele tutorials, countless hours of music coaching, books and courses, and nothing was left to give. So it felt the music I loved so much had gone silent. And not just music, I felt like I had gone silent. But that silence gave me something unexpected, a chance to listen to myself, to reconnect with the roots of why I started this journey in the first place. That's when the handpan came back into my life. For years, I had left it behind, buried under the chaos of life. But this is instrument, one that I helped develop alongside Bill Brown, wasn't just an instrument for me. It was a voice, a healing frequency, a way to connect with my soul. Picking it up again felt like coming home. In those quiet, reflective moments, I found my spark. Again, the handpan became my therapy, my way of healing not just my body, but my spirit. And now I want to invite you on this journey with me. Together we can explore how music, how intuition, and a little bit of free play can transform our lives. So if you ever felt stuck or lost, let me show you how to find yourself again through music. It starts here with this beautiful instrument. Are you ready to take the first step? No rules, no limits, just music. Join my free handpan course for intuitive music. So join me on this journey. The best is yet to come. See you for the next video. Love you. Namaste in song, Doña.